Tired of hunting for your blocked accounts on Pinterest? Here's exactly where to find and manage them in under a minute. You know the feeling. You blocked someone a while back, maybe a spammy commenter or an old account, and now you have no idea where that list went. You've clicked around, checked your profile, looked in settings, nothing. It's frustrating, but I promise you, the answer is simpler than you think. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to pull up that entire list in just a few clicks. No hunting required. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, from opening Pinterest to scrolling to the blocked list. Let's go. So, start with the Pinterest app or website open on your screen. It doesn't matter if you're on your phone or your computer, the steps are basically the same. Just make sure you're logged into the account where you did all that blocking in the first place. Now, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Right beside it, there's a tiny arrow pointing down. That little icon is your gateway to everything hidden in Pinterest. Go ahead and click that arrow. A drop-down menu will pop up. This is where Pinterest stashes all the important account stuff, your profile, your boards, your settings. From that menu, click on the option that says Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the list. And here's where people usually get lost. Once you're inside Settings, you'll see a long column of options on the left side, or maybe a menu if you're on mobile. What you're looking for is a section called Social Permissions. Scroll down until you find it. It's a little further down than you might expect, so keep going. Click on Social Permissions to open that page. Now, take a breath. You're almost there. On this Social Permissions page, you'll see a few different sections. One of them is for comments, another for mentions, but the one we care about is all the way at the bottom. Keep scrolling down until you see a heading that says Blocked Accounts. Right below that heading, you'll see a link that says See List in blue. Click that link. And there it is. Your entire list of blocked accounts, all in one place. Take a moment to scan through it. You might see some names you completely forgot about, or maybe a few you don't even recognize. That's totally normal. Now, here's the really useful part. From this list, you can actually manage each account. If you want to unblock someone, just click the Unblock button next to their name. Pinterest will ask you to confirm, and once you do, that person can find your profile, follow you, and interact with you again. If you just want to see who's on the list without making any changes, you can do that too. It's all right there. And if you're wondering, yes, this is the exact same place where you'd come if you ever wanted to block someone new in the future. But for now, you've got your list. You can see every account you've ever blocked, and you can clean it up however you like. So to recap, click the arrow next to your profile picture, go to Settings, then Social Permissions, scroll to the bottom, and click See List. That's it. No more digging through menu after menu. You now know exactly where Pinterest hides that block list. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!